In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gridlines effectively in the Wix editor to ensure your website's content looks structured and professional. Let's dive in and explore how you can take full advantage of this tool. To get started, you'll want to open your website in the Wix editor. Once you have your editor up and running, take a moment to look at the top of the page, where you'll see the Essential Tools menu. This menu is key to enhancing your editing experience. A quick click on this menu unfolds a range of options designed to elevate your capabilities. One such feature is the Gridlines checkbox. By selecting this option, you can enable the editor Gridlines on your screen. You might be curious as to why enabling these Gridlines is important. Well, let me elaborate. Once activated, you'll notice two types of Gridlines appearing on your screen. The dotted lines are known as the editor Gridlines, which outline your content area. They are significant because they define the boundaries within which your content should reside. Staying within these dotted guidelines ensures your design elements are properly aligned and visually appealing. In addition to the dotted lines, you'll also spot solid blue lines on your screen. These are referred to as column grid lines. They show up within any columns you've set up and are especially useful when crafting specific layout sections on your web page. By aligning with these guides, you can efficiently arrange your content within the columns. This approach helps maintain consistency throughout your site, ensuring that everything looks aligned and flows seamlessly from one section to another. Now, why is it crucial to position your content within these grid lines? Well, the purpose here is quite significant. Utilizing these grid lines ensures that your content is structured and visually pleasing, no matter the device or screen size being used to view your site. This is particularly important today, as people access websites from a wide array of devices with varying screen dimensions. Making sure your elements fit neatly within the editor's grid lines means your site will appear as intended for all users, providing a consistent experience. In conclusion, using grid lines in the Wix editor is a vital practice for keeping your website's layout clean and professional. They aid you in visually organizing your content, ensuring a smooth and cohesive viewing experience for every visitor. So the next time you're working on your site's design or updates, remember to turn on those grid lines to keep everything orderly and in place. It's a straightforward step, but one that can make a significant difference in how your content is presented. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.